Hi, I'm Rohit, and coming to our project as a civil engineer, we are always thinking about like we are making things, but come to the reality, we are also making the most of the pollution on the earth. And why we are thinking about why this pollution is getting on, the most thing that we should think about is the carbon emissions. We are almost getting the 8% of carbon emissions from the production of the cement. We're going to with this pain point. We are thinking like, wow, this much pollution we are making to do some of the structures on our surface. So by thinking like in the industries they made some of the solutions to reduce those carbon emissions up to the 80%, but still like 20% emissions which are evolving into our environment may make some pollution or affect us or affect any other things in our environment or our society. But we want to also reduce those 20% of the emissions also till up to 0 to 1%. For that we are making this project as our best. And coming to the project, we want to just make a cement which is sustainable, eco-friendly, and biodegradable with our environment. And main our issue is there should be zero pollution from our cement production or in the uses of our cement production. By making that into a target, we only use the plant waste and some of the industrial waste like fly ash, etc., and we make them into some of the chemical reactions, and we get an output of the cement. And by the just we want to make these structures to be built. From the going to next years of our society, we want to make our structures to be sustainable and eco-friendly in our society, which are with the view of no pollution to make our environment to be better and save our lives for the next few generations.